The Achva Halva factory serves as a door to a sugary wonderland in West Bank's Ariel industrial zone.
People start to have more understanding about health issues, not just in Israel, all over the world, and people understand the benefits of the sesame. So every year we are expanding in 15 to 20%.
Achva moved from Tel Aviv to a larger factory space. The move facilitated growth, a bakery was added, and the factory now produces 4 tons of tahini an hour. But some suppliers won't buy Achva's products anymore due to their West Bank location.
Our strategy in this aspect is if somebody wants to buy us, you're welcome to buy. And if you've got any problem, so it's his problem, it's not our problem. Obviously, there are people that don't buy products from the West Bank, and like I told you, I feel that it's their problem and it's not my problem.
Muhad Ahmed is a packaging department manager and works alongside his 2 brothers and 10 cousins.
אנחנו פה גוף אחד, יהודים וערבים ביחד, לא נמצא מקום יותר טוב מפה. וכולם מתפרנסים טוב, משכורת טובה.
60% of the factory's workers are Palestinian, coming from surrounding villages. Daphna Krause, Jerusalem Post.